In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Waze app using the Google Play Store on your Android device. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for security, performance, and accessing the latest features, and Waze is no exception. So let's get started and make sure your navigation app is running smoothly and efficiently. First, ensure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet connection. This will make the whole process faster and seamless. Once you're online, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer since it's a standard app on all Android phones. With the Google Play Store open, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice your profile icon. Tapping this icon will drop down a menu with several options. Go ahead and tap on Manage Apps and Device. This section lets you handle everything related to the apps installed on your phone. Now, in the Manage Apps and Device section, you'll see a subsection called Updates Available. This is where any updates for your installed apps appear. Here, you'll need to look for Waze in the list. If there's an update available for Waze, you will see the option to update right beside the app's name. If you spot Update next to Waze, tap it. This action will initiate the download and installation of the latest version of the app. Keep your phone stable and ensure you remain connected to the internet during this process. It's worth noting that updates can bring in bug fixes, new features, and enhancements to improve your experience. Once you've tapped Update, patiently wait for the update to download and install. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. During this time, you can see the progress bar giving you an idea of how much longer it might take. Once the installation is complete, you can enjoy the latest features Waze has to offer. Launch the Waze app to ensure everything is working correctly and check out any new updates or changes to the interface that come with this latest update. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your Waze app on your Android device. Remember to keep checking for updates regularly to ensure all your apps are running with the newest features and security enhancements. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.